All right, let's run through the whole process and then we'll give it another shot. Okay, so here's an image, and this one's kind of tough. Now, again, most of the time you're not going to have to go through what I'm going to go through here in a minute to figure out where the shadow, where the highlight, and where the midtone are. But this is one of those images where finding the shadow wouldn't be too tough. Finding the midtone, the highlight might be, because there's not clearly something that's supposed to be white. There's not clearly something that's supposed to be gray, but the color just looks... the photo just doesn't look good. It's very drab and very flat, and the colors don't pop. It's everything bad rolled into one photo. So, but again, I just want to reiterate, you're not always going to have to do this. But if you do, here's what to do. Go ahead and choose threshold to help you find where the shadow is. So we'll bring it up, drag all the way to the left, and as we drag to the right, there's the darkest place. Well, this is the easiest one to figure. Yeah, that's supposed to not have much detail in there. It's supposed to be kind of a solid black almost, so we'll bring a little detail back, right, boom, in there. Just click right there. Then go back over here, double click on the little, you double click right there on the icon. Drag all the way to the other end, and this is going to tell us where to click. All right, any one of those places is going to be where your highlight point goes. So how about we click right there. All right, so you can see we know where to click first, we know where to click second. Where do we click third? Well, you dump this, right? And then you add a layer. Remember, add a layer. Fill it with, don't stroke it, fill it with. See, when you say fill, you shouldn't actually choose stroke. You should choose fill. There we go. 50% gray. Switch the mode to difference. Then go and choose the threshold adjustment layer. Drag all the way to this side, and as we come back, it says click right there. All right, good enough for me. How about something right in there? And then we'll add our own contrast later. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. We know where our 3 spots to click are, so let's go ahead and do that. Bring up curves. Place to click number 1, the shadow spot right there. That gets rid of some problems. Highlight spot, click right there. That gets rid of some problems. Midtone spot, right there. That gets rid of quite a few problems. Now we need to do just add a little contrast. So let's click on our 3 spots. 1, 2, 3, and let's just bring this upward, bring this downward. Not that much, maybe. There we go, and if you wanted to, you could increase the midtones a little bit, something like that. Wow, that looks a lot better. Much, much, much better. All right, let's click OK, and you can kind of see a before and after by pressing Command-Z on Mac or Control-Z on PC. There's before, and there's after. Look how much more contrast is. There's vibrance. Oh, and to get rid of those little eyedroppers that you stuck there, just hit the clear button right up here at the top. While you have that tool chosen, while you have the color sampler tool, go up here and choose click. And that's quite a difference. Now, the one, oh, and actually here's a better way. Let's do a side by side. We'll duplicate this image. So there's the after. We'll revert this back to where we started so you can see them side by side. What a difference we've got from there to there in just a few short clicks. Much more realistic, much better looking, just all the way around, kind of saved the photo. Now, what's this photo need next to really finish it off? It needs professional level sharpening, which you're about to learn.